Hi, this is Johnny. We are back on the Legends of Otome. We are looking at the box art of the Super Nintendo, which is kind of weird because originally we have it like this, but the Atgame ALU automated stretch it to the same size as the other one. So that is kind of weird. So it doesn't matter if you stretch your box out or not, the system will automatically do it for you. So it looked like that I have them, they all stretched to the same size as the Genesis or arcade version. So doesn't matter what size you keep it, they automatically change it to this format, which is kind of interesting. But all the game in Genesis, the Super NES, it will work on bring your own game. As you can see, it does work. So no, that's not what I want. Let's go ahead and start it. See real quick, let you see. And we had to learn the sound so I won't get in trouble. Cause last time when I was demoing Michael Jackson, I have the music too loud, so I have flag. So yeah, so the Super NES does work. So there's like 801 game that does work on CoinOps now. So let's go check to see if it work on. There's only one box art that was kind of messed up, in my opinion. You have like white on the top. That's just one out of the whole list. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go to the top and go into App Store X. And then we're going to go down here. We're going to select A, go to CoinOps, A again, and A launch. Now remember that your SD card need to partition two formats. One is the ALU, which they needed. You need to format that first partition, which I partition is 16 gig. The other one I partition it whatever is left on my 512 gigabyte, which is I think 400 something. So make sure you do that. Then, like for example, you don't want to mess up with the one you have that is running CoinOps, and you want to copy the new add-on to it. So you could either duplicate your USB flash drive, or you get another USB flash drive, and then just add the just partition it to partition. Even though you cannot just grab a USB flash drive and put CoinOps add-on on it and expect it to work. It won't work like that. You will still have to have two partitions. One's for the cabinet to recognize the firmware, and then the second one is for you to add the stuff to it. Okay, so you still need to have both of them. All right, so let's go to see. We got Turbo 16 now. Here's the Super NES. So it look kind of nice. The box art is nice. Now I have a Genesis. Yeah, I changed it, so now it look nicer. I didn't like the white spot last time, so it's a transparency, so that's pretty cool. Now I used the mix art, so that's the reason it showed this and the box art on the side. I used the mix art. I didn't use the. Now let's see how NES does. See, I used the mix art instead. Just go find a box art for it. I just go in and did the. Alright, let's test the first one, 3 Ninja. See if it work on the CoinOps. Now, like I say, it will work on Bring Your Own, but not all the game will work from the CoinOps track mode. I don't know why. By recompile it, you could make it work, but it's just a lot of work. You just have to test every single one of them to see which one do not work, and then see which one do not work, and then we do individual one by one, the one that does not work in the track mode. But the one in Bring Your Own will definitely work. Like the one Genesis didn't want to work, but it does work when I'm in the other, the Bring Your Own stage. So yes, it worked. So the add-on, I'm surprised that the people that sell the game, they did not include the CoinOpsX track mode. They just give you the, I forgot, kill myself. They just gave you the, now they just sell you just the Bring Your Own. But yeah, it just take more work to do this, but it does. It could be done and it's working. So I guess I am the first one who add the home console to the system. So yeah, this one should be working great. Let's try the Aladdin, since a lot of people play Aladdin. Yep, it worked. So I want to try my final fight. Oh no, I want to try the other one, the Mario, Super Mario. Let's try Super Mario. Let's go down the list by pressing the C. It will go down the list. Oh, I should go back I should go the other directions faster. Let me go up and have it go from the Z and move my way up. Now, if you press too much, it just keep on going. So you might want. I went and pressed too much, so now I'm just wait till it stop moving. Okay, now I'm gonna T, then I'm gonna go to S. Now I'm pretty careful on making sure all the video and all the thing. Oh, I just went to Genesis by accident. Move it to this way. Okay. So let's go back up. I think it should be Super Mario instead of New Super Mario. That's for Nintendo DS, I think. Let's see if we can find Super Mario. So we got Simpson, the Nightmare, and here are some the arcade version of it. I think the hack version. Super Mario. And then we have this Smurf. So that's pretty good. I use a mix art and it's not bad, you know. So it doesn't take that long to create those. So let's go down to so we have Star Fox. I think there's the first version and the second version, I believe. Got two of them. Here's the Street of Rage, Alpha, and Sunset Riding. Let's try that one. So So far so good. The Super Nintendo version, I don't have any issue in the track mode so far. The Genesis one, hey, this one's loading Genesis version. That is weird. That's loading the Genesis version. I think it's, that's weird. It is loading Genesis version in here, even though I guess the name the name is the same. So I think the system does not know which one to load. So load the very first one. Maybe that's why I have two versions here. That's the problem with CoinOps is if you have some game that have the same name, you're gonna run into this kind of problem. Because the game list does not know which one, because all the artwork and all the video are the same. So you might have some video that might be made for other stuff. Okay, we got Super Mario. Well, this video did not come out very well. I noticed that with the graphic video, it sometimes it doesn't like it. You will have to like record it yourself, manually record it yourself to make it work, which is kind of weird. I'm gonna try the one with Super Mario Redo X. I think that one looked like a Nintendo DS, I think, if I'm correct. Oh no, that's the different one. Maybe it's the Super Mario Deluxe. This one do not show the video either. So in order to work, you have to like you have to record your own video and then paste it. I don't know, is it because the graphic is too low or too high, but apparently it did not like it. Alright. Now this one's the hack version. It doesn't have a bezel, so I used the standard bezel, which is actually a red color, but for some reason it looked kind of, there you go, that's the correct color. Alright, will this hack version work on this cord? It doesn't look like it will. Now I noticed some game you will have to like try it twice in order for it to work. Some reason the track mode are not very stable in CoinOps. It will work outside the CoinOps, but it's not as stable. I mean, sometimes you run into where the game is kind of lacking or something. So yeah. It didn't work. Oh, I didn't press player 1. I pressed the A button. I think this part you have to wait till. There is some problem with this image. See that? There is a problem with that image. I don't know, because this is the hack version. I don't know. Maybe the hack version, it doesn't play well on this emulator. See that? And that is so messed up. Alright, let's go back and try the play your own. It does work, but you have some crazy stuff going on. Now those are all hacked version. Alright, this one seemed to be better. Doesn't have any crazy stuff going on. Oh, this one lets you jump up real high. This hack version. I'm dead. So it does, some of them do work just fine. Alright, this one is ready. You just have to go to Telegram. It just have the UCF. It doesn't have any physical ROM or box art because it's compressed only interpolated to where only Legends Arcade work. Now this one said you're supposed to have like 5 or something, but mine's sometimes when I go in it's always 0, so I don't know. So if I come over here to SNES, you will have those games here. Let me go the opposite direction. So it's 800, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 806 game. And we're going to look for those, a while ago the one was giving us crazy stuff. And the Super Mario. So we're going to try to see if that have the same problem with this section. I don't think it does, but okay. So here's all the Mario hack game. This one is universal. I don't think that one have any problem. I think the one over here, Super Mario Redo Santa Claus Deluxe. I think we have problem with the Deluxe. Then All Star Redo. Let's try All Star Redo. I think this is the one that we have the problem with the pictures acting weird. So let's try this one again, see if we have the same problem outside of CoinOps. Don't press A when you are there, just press player 1. Otherwise the game is going to exit out. Player 1, player 1, player 1 button. Okay, yeah, I still have the same problem. So I think this emulator does not work well with this ROM does not work well with this chords. Yeah, see that? I might have to redo that one. So this one is messed up. All right. So that one is messed up. And that one is called now I go back to the beginning because I pressed the button too much. So go back to the beginning. Yeah, but most of the game here work. So hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Just a quick video to show you that it's working. All right, later.